Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of Cooking in the Truck with Ride Along Gang. And what we got here today, White Castle sliders, easy in the microwave cooking is what this is going to be. And we got Sonic tater tots. Now this I'm going to cook in the air fryer. According to the instructions on here, we'll cook it at 360 degrees for 9 to 10 minutes. The sliders, they'll cook in the microwave right at about a minute, maybe a minute and a half. And we got Whataburger Ketchup to put on the tater tots. Now, I've never had the Whataburger Ketchup, never had the store-bought Sonic tater tots. I have had the White Castles though. Alright, now this box of White Castles comes in 6 sliders. It was, I think it was $5.48 or $4.48, not real sure. But if you break that down, that's about what, $1 to $1.25 for 2 of these. And now the bag of tater tots, they was just the opposite. They was either $4.48 or $5.48. I don't remember which one was which. I think the sliders was $5.48, and I think the bag of tater tots was $4.48. Now I'm only going to get out a small portion of them, maybe 75 cents worth. So at $1.25 and about 75 cents worth of tater tots, we're looking at $2 for a quick fix in the truck. $2 meal. I don't know how much the ketchup was. You can look up the ketchup though and see how much it is. Got it all at Walmart, every bit of it. So let's get cooking. Let's cook these things up. Now I could have made, I can, and I do have the stuff to make this chili cheese tots, but I don't want that much tater tots. So I'm just gonna make it tater tots with ketchup. Like I said, I could do the chili cheese. I've got the chili, but I'm just gonna go with the ketchup today. Maybe we'll do the chili cheese on the next video. You let me know what you think. Alright, as everybody knows, this is my air fryer. And I always use Gits down here, and I always put it, well actually I put it on the air fryer box. But we're going to set, what did I say, 360? Yeah, 360. We're going to set these tots on 360, which actually I think what I'm going to do is I've got it setting on about right at 400. I'm just going to leave it on 400. Maybe they'll be a little bit crispier. And Lord have mercy, we have got a storm rolling in here, y'all. We're in Amarillo, Texas right now, getting ready to make a delivery. And we've got a storm brewing. And we could do more. Yeah, let's do a few more. I think that might be about maybe 75 cents worth of tater tots. Maybe. Then you just close the bag back up, throw it in the fridge. Alright. 10 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. And we'll be back as soon as it's done. and gentlemen, check this out. Check this out. These are nice, crispy. I cooked the sliders maybe just a touch too long. Maybe a minute's really all they really need. Now I do have cheese, like I said, I do have cheese, but I just want to just be basic this time. Basic, quick fix. Whataburger Ketchup, Sonic Tots, that is good. I'm gonna have to let these White Castle burgers cool down just a touch. I severely overheated them. Severely. It is delicious. And now, they don't come with mustard on them. And they really should, because mustard makes these things a lot better. Actually, a pickle would be good as well, but I don't have any pickles, so we'll just settle with the mustard. Mustard on the White Castle's delicious, like I said. That makes a difference. These don't come with mustard on them. And if you like mustard, that really does make a difference. Whataburger Ketchup, Sonic Tater Tots. And what did I say? Good and quick. $2 for this. Not bad at all. So, if you enjoyed this video, let's dip in the ketchup. Give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, punch that subscription button in the face, slap that notification bell in the jaw, that way you know when we're here uploading or live every single day. And I do want to thank you for watching. Now, here, maybe here, I'm not sure. There'll be a suggested video, suggested playlist. Check them out. See what the channel's all about if you're brand new here. And if you are brand new, welcome to the channel. Thanks for watching.